Best book holder stand review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular book holders in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this book stand so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this right away. The one that made our list is the Wish-Ac Bamboo Book Stand. This high quality solid bamboo book stand is tough and durable. Its polished surface makes it easy to clean and maintain. The angle is adjustable so you can view your books comfortably without straining your neck, eyes or back. Now you can free up space on your study desk, office table or kitchen countertop. And you can keep your hands free and concentrate on your task at hand. There are page holders on both sides to keep pages in place. And when you're done, this book stand folds flat for easy storage. To check out the full specs of the Wish-Ac Bamboo Book Stand and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/bookholder. Here's a quick look at how easy it is to set it up and use it right away. So there you have it, the Wish-Ac Bamboo Book Stand. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this book stand is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Wish-Ac Bamboo Book Stand and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/bookholder. Alright, thank you for watching.